Make a great choice today with the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver, braking assist, traction control, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.